I'm going to add a few more records to this table now, and I'll pause the video and you can see what it looks like when I'm finished, or you can look at the Word document to get the data yourself. That's the table finished now, and now I'll close the table and I'll try to add some data to the cars table next. So let's open the cars table. As before, I'll fill this in, but I'll pause the video once I've done the first record, and you can look at my data here or in the Word document. When you get to this field here, it says available 0. We've used a yes/no field before, and this is the same kind of thing. Is it available or not available? And the choice is 0 or -1, and we'll say -1 for this one. And the car model ID, let's say that's 1, and the location, let's say that's 1, 2. Now it's giving us an error message. You cannot add or change a record because a related record is required in the table car models. So we have to say OK to that, and there's a problem between this table cars and the table car models. Now we're locked into this cell here, but if we click next to it we can come out, but it still won't let us out. We get the same message all the time, so we're stuck. The only way out is to press the escape key on your keyboard, ESC, but that can delete your record, but you don't have any other choice, so press that button and this record's gone. That's because there's a problem between the cars table and the car models table. Now you're going to keep getting these kind of messages, so the easiest thing to do is close this table, go to the relationships and take off all the relationships. It only takes 2 minutes to put them back on later, but take them all off. If you click on them, and it goes kind of bold and thick, delete the relationship, and delete them all. And when we're adding the data now, in some cases you'll have to take the primary key off, and you need to put it back on again when we create all the relationships. So let's close that window, and we'll go back to the cars table and add the data again. That's the data added just like before, and then when we try to move on we don't get an error message this time. The only reason for that is because we broke the relationship between the tables. We'll have to put it back on again later. So let's close this, and you can continue filling this table. Now I'm going to fill all the tables, and you'll see my data in the Word document, and the next video will come back when all the data is there, and then we'll try to link the tables up again.